Today, we're making the king of all sheet cakes.
Delicious chocolate cake covered in warm, fudgy frosting.
Oh, this is a chocolate lover's dream come true.
It's so good, they named a state after it.
Or vice versa.
Vice versa.
I'm sure. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My chocolate loving Loon.
Oh, for sure.
Oh my gosh, if you're not a chocolate lover, this cake will convert you.
And if you're not from Texas, you'll wish you're from Texas.
I'm telling you, you're going to say, I'm going to make this. I don't care if I do live in Texas or not. Okay, so let's get started.
Good, you guys.
It's delicious. So we're going to make the cake fillings, or the cake. So we're starting off with I've got 2 cups of granulated sugar here. I'm going to add a delicious cup of water. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of canola oil. And then we've got a half a cup of buttermilk. That is delicious. And then
now we're going to start jacking.
Now we're really getting serious. Now we got a half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Yum.
Yeah,
that's 8 tablespoons. Then I've got 2 eggs that I've lightly beaten, and then I've got a teaspoon of good quality vanilla extract.
Yes.
And I'm just going to combine this
together.
Start
mixing that up.
Go ahead and mix yours up, Wesley.
And I've got the dry ingredients over here. I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a third a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Yum. Yum. Well, unsweetened cocoa powder doesn't really taste that good, but it does when it's in a cake. Then I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon. This cinnamon really adds to it.
It makes this cake shine.
Yes. And a teaspoon of baking soda.
Delicious.
Then delicious. You're not even listening. And then I have a quarter teaspoon of salt.
I can
kosher
really
salt.
taste the baking soda in this. It's delicious.
And I'm just gonna mix these together real fast.
It would not be a cake without baking soda.
Chris, clean up your mess over there.
I'm cleaning up your mess too.
I'm just gonna make sure that this gets good and incorporated. You guys, this cake is phenomenal. I'm always like a sheet cake, fine, blah, 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 blah. But this is,
it's so moist.
When you pour that warm frosting on top,
forget
about it.
It really, the reason it's called a Texas sheet cake, because I'm sure you may be wondering, we didn't do extensive research because we just love it and we eat it, but we believe that, go ahead.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
We're going to start incorporating this in. That the story is, legend has it, that it was published in a Texas publication, I think back in the 40s or the 50s. You'll correct me if I'm wrong, which I probably am.
Oh yeah.
And it just became legendary, and it was in the state of Texas. But a lot of people think it's also called a Texas sheet cake because it's like the size of Texas.
Giant. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I gotta grease that pan.
Just go ahead and keep doing. Okay, right. I can do it. We'll be here for 4 hours.
I know.
At this rate.
So I've got this is a half. Let me see if y'all can see it. There we go. It's a half a sheet pan. It's not a whole sheet pan. It's a half one. Actually, we made one. Didn't we make one in a full sheet pan for?
That was
I think it was during like 4th of July.
Yeah,
it was huge.
It was really massive.
I mean, this is massive too. Oh.
I wouldn't say massive, but so
hold on.
It traditionally is done in a half sheet pan, which the dimensions are 13 by 18,
yeah.
And I have a link to them in the description. It's just the perfect size because it's not like a super thick cake.
It's the perfect size for us.
It's in thickness.
Oh yeah.
Like a really big.
It's actually kind of thin. Sometimes it looks like a brownie, but it's not.
It does. Exactly, brownie. It has that kind of taste and size to it. We've also done it.
And it's always usually chocolate. 99% of the time it's chocolate.
Yeah.
There's another one called white Texas
cheesecake, but it's typically chocolate.
Yeah.
And but we once did it in a 10 by 15, which is a little smaller pan, and it was great.
But it gets a little thicker.
It's a little thicker. Yeah. So if you really want to be true to form, get yourself one of these pans. And I think we're.
Do you have a link to it?
I said that.
Oh. Are you ready for me?
More than
Move that out of the way.
Okay.
And look at how loose that filling or the cake batter is. Hold on, I want to get this right where everybody can see it. Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at how liquidy it is. It's a lot thinner than a regular.
All right. You want to get me a spatula back there?
Yeah.
It is a little thinner than your typical, and you see those little bubbles in there, and if it's a little lumpy, that's okay. You try to get as much of those lumps out as you can.
Yes, and trying to get all that deliciousness in that.
I know. Okay.
Oh, I've got it. All right, you got it. Okay.
That's good. So now we're just going to spread that out a little bit. Okay.
I'm in your position.
I know. We're throwing the universe off. Okay. So now it's going to, when you put that in there, it's going to feel like that hardly even filled it up at all. It's really thin. That's okay. Because of that baking soda that tastes so good, it's going to rise, and it's just going to be the perfect.
I'm evenly distributing it.
I know. Okay.
All right.
So now we've got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. You see how easy this is. And then it only bakes for 20 minutes, and then we're going to make that incredible icing.
Yay!
Yay. Okay.
It's done.
It's done. It smells so good. So while he takes that out, we're going to get going on this icing.
Get that icing started.
I'm going to get that thing going. So... Oh, that is beautiful. That's a sheet cake.
That is a Texas sheet cake.
Beautiful. Do you want to give it the old toothpick test?
Oh, that's right.
But it pulls away a little bit from the sides. That's perfectly normal. So you want this to rest.
Done.
Perfect. You want this to rest for 5 minutes. The timing of this is important because you're going to put this warm icing on top of the warm. Now, some people
do it right away.
Yeah, and I have heard where some people have had an issue of the icing. If it's so hot,
it just runs right off.
It'll completely melt the icing. But we've never had an issue if you let it sit for 5 minutes. So I've got
this frosting is so amazing.
It's really good. So what we've got more butter. Yay!
More butter.
So we've got.
So wait a minute. So there's a stick of butter in there. And a stick of butter in here?
That's why it's so good. So anyway, that's a stick of butter, as Wesley said, 8 tablespoons. And then I've got a third a cup of whole milk.
I don't think I need these.
No, you don't. And we're just going to let this melt. You do this over pretty low heat. I kind of have it on high. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just start incorporating this deliciousness. No, not yet.
Not yet.
So let's get this completely melted.
Wow, that was close.
I know, that was almost
ruined everything.
I know, you almost ruined Texas. Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on.
Just a little at a
time?
time?
So this is, you might as well. So this is a pound of powdered sugar, and that is really 4 cups of powdered sugar.
All right.
This is a third a cup of cocoa, and we're just going to keep incorporating this in until it turns into this amazing frosting.
So you turned off the heat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you get
it's still warm, but see, I think you don't want it to be. It doesn't need to be boiling at this point. You just want to melt that, and
I'm going all in.
Go for it.
All right.
Now here, if you want to dump this in,
I'm here.
this is a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. We got these consistent flavor profiles going throughout the cake and the icing, and then we've got. Give me a quarter teaspoon of a quarter teaspoon of salt.
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to eyeball this. We want a teaspoon of good old vanilla extract. Okay.
Yum. Y'all.
I know.
That is. I'm going to put a lid on this extract because I tend to spill it.
Yeah, I know. I do too.
And we've got our almonds at the ready.
Yeah.
No,
those are pecans.
Oh, pecans, yes. Actually, that brings up a good point.
Yes.
Pecans or walnuts. There have been some major
shootouts
between walnuts and pecans. We're using pecans because if you didn't know, the Texas state pie or dessert is a pecan pie.
Pecans are made in abundance in Texas. Or you could, if you're not a fan of nuts or you can't eat nuts, you can leave them off.
Right.
Okay.
You can go nutless.
Yeah. you could.
All right, I'm ready. I've got 2 spatulas.
Okay, so now it hasn't been quite 5 minutes, so we'll see how this works.
It's okay. But I think it's all right.
You think so? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, as long as you think so, then I feel okay. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, Chris.
I know. Now, the only, like always with us, the difficult part of this
I'm gonna get it all out.
You have to let this now completely cool. But it doesn't take long at all.
Wow.
And what we do to kind of expedite this is we just you need a big open spot in your fridge, but we let it cool in the fridge for like 20 minutes and then it's perfect.
Because we're very impatient.
We do. We have cut into it before when it's warm, and of course it's super delicious that way. But I would recommend letting it cool because this icing really sets, and then it just becomes great. Now let me tell you, this is the quintessential dessert to bring to like a barbecue. Because
Church potluck.
But I mean, I've been to so many barbecues where this was the dessert, and everyone, because it feeds, feeds a lot.
And you put a big scoop of Bluebell vanilla
ice cream, and
wow.
it is heavenly. All right,
hold on, I'm gonna go this way a little bit. Gotta spread this out.
Okay, well, we're moving right along. So while he's finishing that off, I'm gonna sprinkle on some chopped pecans. Again, this is optional. But we just we're kind of nutty, in case you.
I love it. Actually, it's delicious without them, but it just adds a little. Hold on, Chris. I'm trying to get this on here.
I know. You're doing great. You're doing great. All right. So you put as much or as little on as you prefer. We like kind of.
Look at that, you guys.
I've seen some people do it where like the entire top is completely covered. Some people also incorporate the nuts into the icing. That's a nice touch.
You need to get this out of my hands.
Yeah, I do. Okay, like I said, we're gonna let
a little more right here.
Okay, we're gonna let this cool off, and then you guys, we're gonna eat this cake in front of you. I love Texas for a lot of reasons, but this may be the best reason of all.
Same.
I am so excited. Okay, all right, it's time
and
to
then your family's here.
There's that too. And you and our dogs.
And our dogs.
All right, let's cut the cake.
All right. Is that the middle? That's the middle.
Yeah. Wesley loves to.
I like to cut cake.
I know. He's better at.
I'm going right.
I'm one of those that the guy goes off straight. I'm not very good at it. That's not a straight line at all, is it? Anyway, this typically it cuts nicely into 4 pieces. Four rows this way, and then you get 6 this way. And
I sometimes get a little crooked too.
That's an understatement. Okay, so you can. So you see, so we let this cool, and so
it's still a little warm.
It's a little gooey, but that's okay.
We couldn't wait any longer.
And you can serve it. It's great to serve it right out of the.
Which way? Do it on this side.
Serve it right out of the. See, I'm left-handed, so it's hard for me to do it.
Oh, here, just do these little.
Do
the whole thing. Okay.
Gosh. So anyway, you can serve this right out of the pan like this, or you can remove them and they sit nicely and then serve them, at your barbecue. However you want to do it. But we're going to do this.
We are. There we go.
Okay. I want to get a really good sort of a centerpiece for the loons.
Y'all, I can't wait.
All right, this is from me.
Let me grab here. There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, look at that, Wesley.
That piece looks really good too.
I know.
I'll have both. Thank you.
No.
Yay! Bring it on over.
The cake is like one of the most moist cakes I've ever had in my entire life.
Wow.
And then that icing. Yeah.
I wish I had some ice cream.
Well, you've got some ice cold milk.
Yes. Oh, yeah. You have to have some milk.
Well, I was thinking about that. It's definitely great with ice cold milk. Although if you're at a barbecue, it's really good with ice cold beer too. So.
Y'all, I'm just gonna do a slow little. Look at that.
So moist.
Wow.
I'm saying it's one of the best cakes in the world.
Wow, that's so good.
I just started making this not too long ago.
I know.
I don't know why I have not made it sooner.
Your mother made it.
My mom makes it. I know, and my dad makes it.
Oh.
It's that silence of heavenliness. I don't know. I can never decide if I like the cake or the icing better.
I think they go together.
They go together
perfectly.
They're a match made in Texas. I feel something really good.
Now that is 10,000% Loon approved.
Yeah!
Hold on. Oh, you gotta have a big old glass of milk.
God.
Oh yeah, nothing better. Oh wow.
This is quintessential everything. You bring it to barbecues, you bring it to birthday parties, you just make it for the fun of it. And it keeps.
We have this whole cake between the two of us.
I mean, we have more chocolate cake, so come on over. We got plenty for you. All right, you guys, we love you so much. Make Texas sheet cake.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!